We need huge innovations in being able to create hydrogen efficiently. We need to find a way to be able to sequester CO2 from the air or from the oceans at under $100 a ton. We need to find a way to be able to make grid-scale batteries that would radically change our ability to use renewables. We need a moonshot, maybe multiple moonshots for the electric grid. It's the world's largest, most complex, and most expensive machine, and most of the solutions for climate change are going to end up going through the grid, and the grid is not set up to accept those innovations right now. So climate change is not one problem, it is a sea of problems. And we need to also be working on issues around adaptation as well. So there are things like ocean health. We're poisoning the oceans faster than we're poisoning our skies or the land, and no one's paying attention because it's basically a battery for our bad behavior, but it's pretty full at this point, and we're going to have to do something to regenerate the oceans, or humanity will die if we don't. So I think climate change is in fact a systems problem, and we're going to have to approach it that way.